Hey, Brandon Simmons here. I'm actually out in Provo, Utah, and it is beautiful. I'm right at the mountain of Sundance ski resort, and right behind me, I don't know if this will work too well, but you can see the Provo River going right up the way there. So that's awesome. Hey, I wanted to talk real quick and touch base about the importance of taking action now, having urgency. A lot of us get knowledge, a lot of us understand that we need to do certain things in our business, like marketing or talking to sellers or just making the phone calls sometimes. But some of us do not have urgency about it. We need to have urgency. Take action now. So whenever that little voice in the head says, oh, it can wait till tomorrow, no, it can't wait till tomorrow. You got to take action on it now. Do it now, okay? A lot of us have huge, lofty goals, but not all of us do the action and the work that it takes to get to those goals, okay? I want to let you know I'm here because I have a virtual lifestyle. I have an office that I rent. I love working from my office. It's 5 minutes from my house. But this week, I'm up in Utah and I'm getting work done virtually. I'm closing 3 deals today, tomorrow, and the next day. And I just hired someone else as a VA. I just hired a new VA. And I'm holding a couple coaching classes, all from my laptop and my mobile device. This can be a real business for you too. So take action now. Whatever you're procrastinating on, whatever you've been putting off, take action now. Do it today. Don't wait till tomorrow. Do it today. God bless. Have a great day. See ya.